Alright, I've been stacking the hay to make a chicken fort. My chickens love the chicken forts back in Utah. I just stack these up so that they have some place to go around when it's windy or rainy or stormy or snowy, and they can come under in this area. They'll have a shelter as well, but this pallet gives them a little extra protection and shade. You'll find animals love going under pallets, rabbits, chickens, whatever. And then above that is the tunnel. And you can't see my rocks from this side in here. I'm sitting inside where the chickens would be enjoying and scratching around. So I'm trying to decide what's best to put on the bottom here besides straw, hemp. There's no wood chips around here. I've been thinking about cocoa core and shredded paper. Trying to decide which way is going to be most economical. Oh, also pine pellet bedding seems pretty affordable at Walmart, less than $8. But straw is $7 a bale, so that's a really good option. I could put a bale down right now, then I wouldn't have my enclosure. I'm missing one bale that somehow we got 19 instead of 20. So once I have that bale, we'll be better.